Hey guys, Coach here. Hey, I wanted to bridge a gap for you, perennial wise. You know, oftentimes we think of the blooming time of year as being spring and summer, and then fall time is like recovery and everything's tired and it's going to sleep. Well, here's a perennial that just gets going come late summer and fall. This is a Runcus. This is a Runcus, a wonderful hardy perennial that really gets its bloom on late August, September, and into early October. Something that you might want to consider. It's kind of a no-name shrub during just the growing season. It's, as you can see, it's just green. It doesn't have a lot of show to it, but its show is definitely made up when it comes into its blooming period, late summer and fall. A Runcus, a perennial that is hardy, well below zero, comes back every year. Clean it up in late winter like you would an ornamental grass or something like that, and then really enjoy that bridge time between that late summer and early fall, mid-fall, depending on where you're at. A Runcus. Check it out next time you're at Garden Center. I'd love these things. You don't find them very often. So anyway, a Runcus. Check it out. A-R-U-N-C-U-S. This is Coach. Catch you next Friday. Don't forget to tune into the other videos. Questions? Make sure you email me.